So here is the Moment 4 being recorded on a Moment 4. So this camera, I have two of them, and it is fantastic. It actually is touchscreen. It's very neat. It does a lot of things. So it does video, photo, motion detection, car mode, so you can use it as a dash cam. It does video time-lapse, slow motion, photo time-lapse, burst mode, and underwater settings. To use it underwater, you have to use the case. Comes with the case. It's pretty nice. In addition to that, they've also sent tons of little attachments and things. This is for your handlebars on whatever you ride. There's little GoPro pieces, battery charger, and two batteries. Obviously one of them is in here. So, but yes, there's two batteries that come with this, and they send you a 32 gigabyte micro SD card, but I have a 128 gigabyte SD card that is in here right now, and it records onto it just fine. I think it actually can go higher than that, which is very, very impressive for a camera of this price point. It's like 60 bucks. So yeah, I enjoy this very much. It's a great purchase. Personally, this video that I'm recording right now on here is in 1080p and 60 frames per second, and so this is pretty phenomenal. Couldn't be happier with this purchase. So that's why I got two of them.